Hi, I'm Vincent, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify a list of emails like this one, and at the end, get the informations if your emails are verified or invalid. So the first step is to create a free account on Give Me Leads. So for that, you just need to click the first link in the description, or you can go on givemeleads.io. Then you click here on Start for Free and you can create your free account. And then once you've created your account, you go here and you click on Verify Contacts. Then we click on Upload. And by the way, you can upload a CSV or an Excel file. Then I select my file and you can see that it's an Excel file. Click on Open. And then we need to map email address with emails here. And finally, we click on Verify. And now here the verification is finished. So let's click here on Download CSV. So this is my list of emails. And here I have the status. So I have verified. So it means that it's safe for you to send cold emails or marketing emails. Then you have invalid, so you can't reach out to the lead. And you have emails that are probable. So these emails are casual emails. And if you want to reach out to these people, I strongly recommend you to use a domain that you only use to do some prospecting. So if you want to verify emails in bulk, you can try Give Me Leads. And so for that, you can go on givemeleads.io, or you have a link in the description. Now, if you want to see in details how you can get the emails of your leads when you do a LinkedIn Sales Navigator search, I've made a complete tutorial on that. So if you want to check this video, you can click somewhere on the screen. It was Vincent. I wish you a nice day and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.